Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's three major indexes gained more than 1% as investors looked for bargains after the previous week's sell-off, while they also waited for inflation reports in the coming days and the Federal Reserve's next policy decision next week. Cryptocurrency exchange GRVT has received a contractual agreement of $3.3 billion in monthly trading volume ahead of its anticipated mainnet launch from popular market makers such as Galaxy Trading Asia, DV Chain, CMS and others, who committed to delivering the trading volume on a monthly basis. Boeing shares rose 3.7% after the plane maker and its biggest union reached a tentative deal covering more than 32,000 workers. This was the first major negotiation by new CEO Kelly Ortberg, who took the helm just a month ago and has been tasked with turning around the struggling plane maker.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 10 GMT, the Dutch Consumer Price Index at 4:30 GMT, the US Redbook Index at 12:55 GMT. The UK's employment change will be released at 6 GMT, the UK's claimant count change at 6 GMT, Germany's Harmonised Index of Consumer Prices at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.